Well guys, I made it down here. I'm in Montauk. I'm gonna go out on the Miss Montauk II today. Today's a special day. It's my birthday. Happy birthday. I'm gonna be 52 years old. So I'm going out, special trip. Gonna do Miss Montauk today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go on the Montauk Stare, and we're gonna do a little surf fishing, see if we catch a nice striper. So we'll see what happens. Yesterday they're reporting that they got 2 over 10 pounds. So that would be a personal best for me. That's what I'm after, 10-pound fluke. So let's see what happens. I'll give you a midday breakdown. So let's take a look at this boat. Looks like we have a little galley. Maybe they cook up some burgers in here. We got some ample seating. Lots of spots to sit down, have lunch later. Some gorgeous boats parked here next to us. Alright, so I reserved the front of the boat. I have position number 15, which is the front of the pulpit. And today I'm starting out. I have my Jigging World Nexus rod. I'm using 15-pound braid, and I'm going to tie on a Fusion bucktail. This is a 3-ounce bucktail. The thing that's nice about these is that all the heads are marked with what ounce it is. So when I throw it in my bag with all the other ones, I'll be able to tell I'm using a 3, a 4. And then on top I'm using a dropper loop, and I just have a size 5 Gimigatsu bait holder hook, and I'm going to run gulp on the top, and I'm going to put gulp white on the bottom, and maybe I'll try a different color on top, maybe fire tiger or something. We'll see what the fish are doing today, and if today it pays off. I think there's only about 25 people coming on the boat, so it should be a great day out. The weather's really nice. Sea's probably 2 to 3 feet. It's going to be about 80 degrees today. Alright, so we're jockeying in position. We're on our way out the inlet. And, we'll be on the Fluke grounds in no time. I'll check back in. We'll see what happens. I'm starting out with 3-4 ounces today. And maybe we can go lighter. A little lighter action sometimes works better. On the Miss Montauk II, we're heading out the inlet on a high tide. So we got 2 more hours till high tide, and then we're going to be switching over. We got a slack, and then we go to low tide. The boat's leaving at 7, coming back at 4. Looks like everybody's got their RVs set up along the beach here, where they're backed in and they're camping, fishing right off the beach. That's a nice little setup there. Maybe I can rent something, come out here and do that kind of trip. Just gonna send it out a few feet out in front of us. Let it sink right to the bottom as fast as it can.
10-minute ride.
10-minute ride. All right, so that's drift number 3 now. Not a keeper on the boat, so the pool is wide open. We got a 10-minute ride to the next stop, and as John Skinner always tells you, soak your bait while you're driving. Let the line out. Let your line out. Take your jig, put it in here, and you go. Gonna let it recharge. Let it recharge on the way to the next stop. That's it. Next stop, we'll see. Maybe get the big one. Woo! Which way now? Away? Same drift as last time then. Okay, I don't know, drift number 3. Moved up to 4 ounces. Tighten down on my drag because we had some issues. Oh, you're over me? Let me come over. I'll just, alright, whatever.
I'll pay you for the spot.
I thought you were the other guy. Oh, I got a bite, I got a bite. I got one. Yeah. We're hooked up, guys. Hooked up. Feels pretty heavy. Got some head shakes here. This is definitely a keeper. Good fight here. So good head shakes. We got the net. Yep. Net man's here. Oh, better be.
Looks like it.
No, skate.
Is it a skate?
Shark. Got sharked. Ah, that sucks. Yeah, got sharked.
Oh well.
Alright, we're gonna gaff him. So that happens sometimes. These sand sharks, they'll get a hold of bait. Hopefully it didn't twist me up too bad. You like that teaser. No teeth, it goes right back. It's hard to tell. It's a pretty stout rod. It's coming up. Little one. go, the first fluke of the day. Just a little guy, but at least we're on the right species. Better than a shark. There he goes. Let him go, let him grow. Got one. Fish on.
Oh, it's got a fluke. That's a fluke. How's it feel?
Yeah, it's hard to say. They all feel good, right?
Alright, that was the most action we saw all day. Let's try it again.
Come on, let's be a keeper this time, huh? No sharks, no whammies. What we got?
Keep reeling.
Alright, looks like a keeper. Had to go to 8 ounces to hold bottom. Nice looking fish. And the tail is split. So the tail is split, and that's gonna be a keeper. I'll hold that up for the camera. Alright, there's a fish. Probably about, what do you think, 19? 20 inches. We're gonna put it in the cooler, we're gonna measure it up. Keeper. So I just got a big one. I wasn't recording. The mate's gonna go, he's gonna weigh it up. It's probably close to 8-9 pounds. It's probably the biggest one on the boat so far today. I'm here for the 10-pounder, but this'll do. Maybe I'll win the pool today. You. So mate, what do we got on the weight?
7 even.
7-pounder, okay. So 7-pound going in a box. Maybe, hopefully it's the pool winner. Is it the biggest one? The blue one.
Competitor in the back.
There's one other one that's gonna compete. All right, send it in there. Looks like it's pretty close. I got the winner. I got the pool fish. Biggest fish on the boat today. You are the winner. Alright, we'll try it again. So I got the pool winner. Got the pool winner and another fish.